Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Chanu SK Infotech. Today I would like to discuss about COGS concept. If you are completely new to this channel and watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. COGS, cost of goods sold. This cost of goods sold is helpful to the top management to taking managerial decisions regarding the product price and gross profit. What is COGM? COGM is cost of goods manufactured. Material cost, production cost, process cost and overheads, then you will find out COGM. If you add administration cost and selling cost, then we will see cost of goods sold. If you want to calculate cost of goods sold of a particular product or service per unit price, then this is the formula. Cost of goods sold of the particular product or service by number of units, then you will find COGS per unit price. And exact COGS you want to know, then this is the formula. Cost of goods sold minus any returns or any rebates that you will do minus, then you will find the cost of goods sold. Thank you so much for your support. This is Chanu SK signing off.